Congratulations on purchasing your new Sneeze screen. To begin installation, start by loosening the C-clamp located at the bottom of the first arm. Then, place your first arm snug up against your table. Begin tightening the C-clamp until the arm is flush and tight against your table. Place the Perspex screen against the base of the attached arm for reference for the next. Repeat the first 3 steps. Once the second arm is snug, slide the Perspex screen into place. You're halfway there. Use the next screen as reference, then repeat the steps again. These Sneeze screens are designed to fit any 1/2 inch to 3.5 inch counter or table widths. You have just successfully completed installing your new Sneeze screen. Congrats! You're now ready to serve your food in a safe and regulatory compliant manner.